Hola, buenos dias. Today, I'm going to take you on a walking tour through Jardin Botanico in Puerto de la Cruz. It's honestly one of my absolute favourite places to visit when I go to Tenerife. The tranquility and the beauty are just beyond words. So, grab a drink, sit back and relax, and let's enjoy this experience together. This is my favorite here.
Nice.
Well, you made it this far. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. My name is Ian, and I look forward to having you more on my journeys with me. So, if you're not already, click the subscribe button, drop me a comment, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Take care.